Hello, God bless you. Today we are going to do last theorem of chapter number 9, theorem number 5, chapter number 9, class 10. This is very, very important. Third, fourth, and fifth. One of them will definitely come in your board exams. So please concentrate. Try to understand. If you have any difficulty, you can contact us or anybody from where you are understanding these theorems. Okay. So what is statement in the board? It will be written. Prove that this will be additional two words in the paper. Two chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center of a circle are congruent. What is statement? Two chords of a circle. So we have AB and CD, two chords of a circle with center O. Look, AB and CD are two chords of a circle with center O. Clear? Also, OH perpendicular है, OH perpendicular on AB and OK perpendicular on CD. Done? Okay. Along with that, it is written that which are equidistant. Two chords are equidistant. So because chords were equidistant, so their distance from the center will be equal to each other. So distance of chord AB from the center is OH and distance of chord CD from center O is OK. They will be also congruent because it is written two chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center. As they are equidistant, okay, so that's why OH distance will be equal to OK distance. Done? Okay. We want to prove now in this theorem what was given in the previous will become to proof, and what is given here will become to prove of that. Okay. Now, so we want to prove AB chord and CD chord are congruent to each other. Done? Okay. Construction. We have joined point O to points A and B. Join point O to points A and C. We have joined point O to point A and C. Okay. Now proof. Okay, bhai. In the correspondence of two right-angled triangles, there is something written in this, area in the book. I have mentioned here, so no need to write here. Okay, don't worry. Now, because it was written right angle, and most of the students when they are doing it, they keep on asking. So that's why I prefer to write this in statement form and also mention here there is a right angle. So everything is very clear. Okay. Now, in the correspondence of two right angled triangles, triangle OAH, corresponding triangle OCK. We will go to figure. OAH, right angle triangle, OCK, right angle triangle. Done. In which OA was the hypotenuse or is the hypotenuse, and OC is also hypotenuse of this triangle. So OA congruent to OC. Okay. Hypotenuse HYP means hypotenuse OA congruent to HYP, hypotenuse of this triangle OC. Done. At the same time, reason they are equal to each other, OA congruent to OC, because they are radii of the same circle. OA is the radius of this circle and OC is also the radius of the same circle. That is why you can write here OA congruent to OC, radii of the same circle. Done? Okay, next. Now OH congruent to OK, this is already given. OH congruent to OK, like this given. Okay. Now angle OHA equals to 90 degrees, same angle OKC 90 degrees. So each angle is of 90 degrees. So these two angles will also be equal. Now we have got two right angle triangles in which hypotenuse are congruent to each other. At the same time, this side congruent to this side. So these triangles will become congruent to each other according to HS postulate. Done. Previously also explained. So when two triangles are congruent, each and everything of there will be congruent. So we are interested in AHA, AH congruent to CK, AH congruent to CK, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Got it? Now to explain this, I can go to that side. Now we look at this. AH basically what? AH is equal to half of AB. We have done in theorem number 3 that whenever we draw perpendicular from the center on the chord, it bisects the chord. Bisects means it divides the chord into two equal parts. because this AH will be equals to BH. So AH will become half of AB. So that's why I've written AH half of AB, because OH was perpendicular on AB. OH perpendicular to AB. So that is why AH is equal to half of AB. Done? Look at this. OH perpendicular to this. Similarly, OK is perpendicular to CD. So CK will be equals to half of CD. Look, CK half of CD, because OK perpendicular to CD. Theorem number 3, chapter number 9, class 10. Okay, now using that, now AH congruent to CK. Look, already proved. AH congruent to CK. Already proved. Okay, now instead of this AH, look, AH, I have written what? Half AB. Agreed? Congruent sign. Okay, congruent sign. Then instead of this CK, I have written half CD. This side, it means half AB and half CD from 1 and 2. Done? Okay. Now, I have done what? Next, I have multiplied this side by 2 and this side by 2 to get this. Multiplying equation 3 with 2 on both sides. So, when we multiply this with 2, these 2 and 2 will be cut. So, AB will be left, 2 and 2 will be cut. So, CD will be left. Done? So, they will become equal to each other. So, they will become congruent to each other also. Hence, proved what was needed. So dear students, I hope this is understood. If there is any difficulty, you can contact me through my mobile, Insta, WhatsApp, or this, what you can say, YouTube also. Okay, in your comments, through your comments. Best is whenever you study, keep in your mind your parents, their labor, their hard work. Okay, so pay tribute to your parents, to their hard work. Study well so that you can pass first time by scoring good marks. At the same time, from wherever you are learning, it means not from my channel, from any channel, but you are learning on the YouTube or Insta or this TikTok, like that, share that, and at the same time subscribe that. That is appreciation of yours to us or to all those who are making it. Okay, this is not an easy job. Keep this in mind. If you want, you can try it out. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. You can take it screenshot.